Yeah, baby brings Jollibee. Oh, that's perfect. We've got two now. She's dancing. Who's this? Jollibee! You like Jollibee?
I eat some this.
Okay.
I got my teeth.
Did you brush your teeth? Alright, come here. Come here. Look at this dress. Do you like this? It's from Ate Holly.
Yummy.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy! Did you eat Jollibee? Oh no. Hey, come on, Anna.
Okay, blue.
Take off your clothes.
Hands in the air.
No.
Well, hands down below.
No.
Hands in the air. You want to put this
Come on,
on?
Ayla. We're all finished now. We have to go.
No. Red.
Yeah.
And a papa. And a boom 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 boom. And a boom boom boom. Like the
You're upon the message?
Wait, wait, wait. Boom, boom, baby. Boom, boom, baby.
Tiny.
Wait, the baby.
Baby wants to tickle. Does he want to tickle? He wants to tickle.
Bum,
This is how you tickle a baby. Ah, see? How you tickle? This is how you tickle. This is how you tickle.
Yeah.
Then underneath the armpit and then like this. Oh, what? Get out. Get out. Get out. Get it. Oh, oh.
Like that.
Ayla, quick.
Like that.
We're gonna go see the titos and tita. Come on.
Let's go to the door.
Huh? You wanna knock on the door?
Let's go to the door.
Who's knocking the door?
This is hard one. That is
Love
no.
Huh?
This is yucky.
Huh?
Yucky.
Do you want me to do your braid your hair like Anna?
It's
Where is
oil.
your...
I want Elsa.
Come here. Do you want Elsa hair? Elsa or Anna?
Anna.
Anna.
I want two babies.
Two braids. Yep.
Babies.
Hmm?
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way.
Pretty. Nice. You like it?
Yeah.
See? Can you see your hair?
It's like this.
Huh? That's Hetty.
Daddy likes to say.
Oh, you don't the same. But she's got yellow hair, you got brown hair. You guys from later today, it's going to be too hot.
Yeah, too hot. Yeah.
Yes,
You're pretty, baby. Cute me. I love your hair. So pretty. You can't see you against the light. Are you kissing Jollibee, Doodle? You kissing Jollibee? Who is it? Jollibee. Oh. Oh, you're kissing Hetty too? Oh my goodness, kids. Oh my gosh, guys.
What colour is his
Mama,
shoes?
the white your hand.
Green. What colour is Jollibee? What colour is he? Is he red or green?
This.
Red. Good boy.
Good boy, Alo.
Oh,
What color is Jollibee's shoes?
right.
What color is it?
What colour?
Yellow.
What colour is her hair? What colour is her hair? What colour is her hair?
Same as Jollibee's shoes.
She's green, Anna. Is it hair
Green.
It looks yellow to me. Is it yellow or green, Anna?
Yours is pink.
Is that how Jollibee dances? Oh, you kids. Dance like Jollibee. Oh. Dance like Jollibee.
Oi.
Good dancing, Alo.
Oi.
Tummy.
Ready na kaming lahat, guys. Hinihintay lang namin yung fambam. Malapit na daw sila maging ready. Hindi ko alam kung kami pupunta doon o sila pupunta dito. Kasi mas malapit kami sa breakfast kaysa sa kanila. But suot-suot ko dress from H&M. Mahaba to. Ayun. And just the necklace that we bought yesterday. And yung usual jewelry ko na rings. Ring here. And bracelets kasi nakalimutan ko tong hubadin. Hinuhubad ko to usually. Iniiwan ko tong dalawa pati ito. But nakalimutan ko. So suot-suot ko sila the whole time. Daddy's getting us drinks. Thank you, Dada. Thank you. Pineapple. Walang mango juice. Kids are having their cereal. Arlo's having his cereal. Good boy, Luboy. Need i-separate yung table namin kasi ang dami namin. Kailangan pa ng chair ng kids. Yeah, balhin mo dere. Oh, dami namang foods. Looks good your food, guys. Maya na ako pagtapos na talaga si Dan kumuha ng kung ano-ano. Yeah. So, di siya mag-breakfast daw? Here's my breakfast. Bacon. Ano nga ulit yung buwad nga? Danggit, yeah. Danggit. Egg. And yung Chinese. Pechay ba yun? Yeah, tapos garlic rice. Kain. Pika. Tapos na kasi siya kumain. Boo! Pika. Boo! Pika. Boo! Oh, milk pa lang. Thank you. Pika. Boo! Pika. Tita will get you your own pancit.
Daddy Pig.
Yeah. To the beach we go. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta ng beach. KAYSA. I heard their spa is good as well. But the price is very good too. This way, oy! Yeah. So there's another pool area here, oh. Okay, come on. Na.
Island hopping?
Binaba ko si Arlo. Naalala ko, ang arte pala nito sa paa. Tingnan nyo, nakakingking ng mga toes. It's nice, Arlo. It's sand. Oh my gosh, ang init, guys. Good luck. Oh my gosh, look at the sand. Very white. And very fine. Yeah, and there's more restaurants along here as well. This is Alona Beach. I know. Look at his toes. Look at his toes. He's trying to point it up. He's very maarte. Very maarte the dudong with his feet. Arlo, move. Do you want me to hold on to your Play-Doh? Other one? Yay! Hold mama. Utay. Si Arlo. Oh my gosh, ang init.
Kay gusto naman siya dito.
Arlo, no, not swimming yet.
Oh,
Ay! I know, he's wet. Come back! Come back! Let's walk along the beach. Come on! Ayla, it's so hot. Dito kami sa kwarto nila, guys, kasi papatulugin ko si Arlo dito para kami ay makapag-massage. But look at this boy. Kanina antok na siya. Mas gusto niya naglalaro sa bed kaysa sa sand. Si Ayla kahit saan. Ang saya-saya ni Ayla kanina. Hindi ko na-vlog kasi karga-karga ko si Arlo. Kala ko antok na talaga. Karga-karga ko siya the whole time sa beach. Ang init-init pa naman. Kaya nga. Boy, energy's back, boy. Ayaw niya ng, sabi niya, ayaw ko ng mainit. Ayaw ko ng sand. I want the bed. Oy! Oh my gosh. Hello, say goodnight. Say goodnight, everyone. Careful there, Arlo. Uy, careful. Say goodnight to ate. Come on, I'll put you to sleep. Good night, Arlo. Ayaw pa. More! More! Tita Rich, do it to me. We should have you. Ayla, buyag-buyag ate. Yung door namin sa kwarto namin hindi ma-open. Yung ano namin, keycards, hindi nag-work, guys. Napunta kami sa front desk, tapos sabi, baka lobat daw yung sa door. Yung automatic na door for keycard ba? Kasi papunta sila doon ng housekeeping para i-fix yung door mismo kasi daw lobat nga. Napunta na yung housekeeping, ang dami daw key na dala kasi si Mark yung nandun eh. Dumiretso kasi ako dito. Tapos yun, wala pa din. So, bumalik sila ng front desk. Tagal pa nag-open ni Dan kasi parang naliligo. Na naman. Pangatlong ligo na niya yun today. Wala pang alas 12. Ligo lang ligo.
Si Arlo?
No, si Dan. So, before nag-breakfast, naligo. After breakfast, naligo. Ngayon, ligo na naman. Tulo na, ang limited tubig. Ay, naku si Arlo. Tagal pa matutulog. Ay, magpapamassage kami. Pag natulog si Arlo, we will get a massage.
You ready?
And, yung dalawa, nakabili ng kalamay. No, bird. I have it in my bag. Narito sa akong bag. Bumili sila ng kalamay. Kalamay sa Bohol. Magkano kaya bili nila nito? Kalamay with peanuts.
How?
Tulog na si Arlo. Iwan ko si Arlo dito. Ba't si Ayla parang hindi ko maiwan, guys? Sama na lang siguro namin to. Ha? We can leave baby here. We can leave baby here? Okay, tell them to look after baby. Say, guys, can you please look after my baby? Louder, they can't hear you. Please. Who are you talking to? Tito? Tito Wayne's? And who else? Not another Tito? Another Tito's not talking. Go, you have to tell them. Look after my baby, please.
Yes, my baby. Papa, my baby.
Look after my baby.
Papa, my baby.
Okay.
Tito Mark, go tell Tito Mark. Tito...
Papa, my baby.
Are we friends? Say please, Tito Mark.
It's Tita Ma.
And Tito Marlon, ask Tito Marlon.
It's Tita my baby.
Look after my baby. Why? Where are you going? Do you wanna get a massage?
But are we friends?
No.
Alright, let's go.
This something in our room.
Huh?
This something in our room.
Let's go shopping.
Yeah.
Silly girl. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Alright, let's go. Thank you. Sige, let's try. Ayla wants to try chocolate slime. Kalamay. Chocolate slime daw.
Yummy.
Sabi niya sa akin kanina, Mommy, Tito's eating slime. Ayla, come here. Try it.
Oh, try it.
I want the other chicken.
Oh, try it.
Yeah, try.
Yummy.
No.
Yummy slime.
Is it good? Is it good? What do you say to Tita? What do you think?
Yummy. Yummy slime. Try it.
One more?
Do you want more?
One more?
More? Okay.
Slime.
It's yummy slime.
Mommy, no, hold it in the bed.
On the bed? Okay.
Nakauno na to ng slime ngayon makita.
Oh, no. It's mommy. It's all mine.
Oh, yours? You like it?
You like yummy slime? I thought you don't like it. I thought you said it's yucky.
Mama, hold. I'm not baby.
Is it yummy? Diba
Mommy,
dalaman?
baby.
Huh?
Pagdalaman. Ang malistaan na daghan pa.
You like it?
It's yummy, right?
You love
See?
it. Who gave this to you?
Dada siya tiganin na ti yucky. Lagi.
Take it.
Tita Rich. You're welcome, Inday. It was Tito Honey. Tita Honey. Oy,
Tita Honey gave this to you. What do you say to her?
Say thank
Please.
Say thank you, Tita Honey.
Tita Honey and Tito Wins.
Tito Wayne's. Okay, wait. Let me do it. I'll give you a lot.
Wow,
don't
lucky
touch it.
girl.
It's very slimy.
You
Oh
eating
my-
slime, Ayla?
You're eating slime. I can't believe this. I'm gonna show this to them.
Yummy slimy. you tell Daddy, Daddy, I ate slime. Very yummy slime.
Okay, do you wanna wait here? I will get Daddy.
It's all mine.
Do you wanna wait here and eat slime? I'll go get Daddy. Yes? Is that okay with you? I'll go get Daddy, okay? And I'll come back with Daddy. Is that okay? Okay. And you wanna eat slime? Can Tita Honey feed you?
Tito Wins.
No, in my own.
I will do
Yeah,
it.
do it on my own. What do you think of me, Mommy?
Bye,
Big girl.
Mommy.
Oh boy, Mama.
Slowly, okay?
Someone needs to look after you though.
This is gonna be messy. Yeah. Okay, Tito Wins.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mommy. Okay, bye, baby. I will go get Daddy. Okay, I'll come back. Okay.
Bye, Mommy.
Love you. Bye-bye. Love you.
Nagpabiya na. Bye-bye, baby. I'll be back with Daddy, okay? Maybe 2 hours? Okay. Bye-bye.
Enjoy, Mommy.
No, Mommy.
Mommy, don't come back. Ayla, say, Mommy, don't come back.
I'll come back with Daddy, okay? Okay? Bye, baby.
Enjoy, Mommy.
Bye-bye. Pumayag na. Okay, bye-bye. Guys,
Okay, sige,
I'm
bye.
back in our room and look who's with me. She said goodbye and everything, but then when I was leaving, she didn't want me to go. So we're gonna bring her. Hindi na lang kami magpapamasahe. Sama na lang kami dalawa. Tatlo pala. Alright, let's go. Come on. You have to leave your hat on, okay? You gotta keep it on, okay?
You ready?
I love you. We are happy family with a big.
What do you have?
Oh no! What did you do?
What
All right, let's go, baby.
Wala.
do I have?
Oh no! Let's go. Let's go.
Come.
Daddy's waiting. We're walking outside, papuntang outside, and the weather is looking good. Hindi umuulan. Sabi sa weather app, stormy daw today. But it's not raining and sun is not out. So it's good to walk. Isla is not walking now. Isla's on daddy. Ate, do you wanna walk? No! Sabi niya kanina, I wanna go in the buggy. Crimson yarn. Pwede pala magpahatid sa harap. Ayan si kuya. Hinatid niya yung ibang guest sa harap. So, I think pwede. Kaya lang, okay lang naman yung lakad. Hindi naman ganun kalayo. Yung Crimson kasi ang layo-layo talaga. Like, as in, ang layo ng main gate nila. Pero ang ganda ng location ng Henan. Kasi paglabas mo, guys, ang dami agad mabibilhan. Ang daming kainan. So, ito is yung left side from Henan. Pagka-exit sa Henan. Tapos yung right side, yung hindi pa namin napupuntahan, Baiya, yung right side dun. Meron din madami. Baiya, it's good. Mas gusto ni Dan daw dito. Kakasabi niya lang sa akin, mas gusto niya dito sa Bohol kaysa sa Boracay. Cucumber lemonade yung akin, kay Dan old fashioned lemonade. Yeah, I can see. What time is it? Yep. 1 o'clock? Yeah, maybe. So, ang old fashioned puro regular lemonade?
Yes, ma'am.
Dadalhin sana namin sa Isla dyan, sa Kids Savers. Kaya lang 1:30 pa sila mag-o-open. So, we're here. O, diba? Merong may bayad, merong walang bayad sa labas. So, dito muna tayo. Depende sa mood nitong isa. Oh, the doggy went. He went to maybe his house. Yeah. To his house, yes. Depende sa mood niya. Kapag gusto niya pa din maglaro, punta tayo dun mamaya. Malapit na ata mag 1:30. Mga 25 minutes na lang. Uy, wag nating kalimutan ang ating umbrella. Nilagay natin dyan. Dito kami sa... Oh, no. Lahat ata ng pinick up niyang toy sira.
Jingle, that one.
Dito kami sa playground. 30 minutes, 50 pesos. Do you wanna go back on the slide again?
What other toys? They got all other toys underneath there. You can climb it. Try climbing it. Like that, yeah.
Hold on. Yep.
Yeah.
Well done. Good girl. Just be careful. Well done.
Yeah, don't put that on.
That's Snow White.
That's okay.
Snow White dress.
Okay.
Ready? Steady. She got her mountain. She got her monkey. Oh. Oh no.
Oh, he's holding on to you.
That's a cute monkey. Yeah. That's actually a perfect toy for Arlo. Are you a firefighter? Sleeve.
Put your arms in. Put your arms in. No, the other way. No, no.
Other way.
Other way. Turn it around.
She turned around.
Yeah.
That, yep.
Now put it
Your
around.
arm.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep. Good. Yeah.
Oh. Put it in the hole.
Come here.
Come closer. Good job on your pants.
Yeah, not too bad at all. Decent your pants, mate.
Well done, baby.
See? It's the elastic below.
Oh my gosh, baby.
One arm here. One arm there.
Oh my gosh, Isla, you look good.
Oh, you'll see your arm. Good hole.
There you go. Perfect.
Do you want to zip it up?
I think it's broken.
Let's Mama show you.
Let me see, let me see.
Put it on so Mama can see. And you can say, I'm a firefighter.
Thank you.
You can take it off now, princess. Put it back.
I want mermaid.
Nah, too hard.
Mermaid's too hard, my love. Going back to the resort. Ang init-init na. Minsan nawawala si Mr. Stan, nagtatago. Tapos minsan lumalabas ang ganito na. Sobrang init na talaga. We will go swim. And then maya pag hindi na mainit, papuntang sunset, punta tayo sa beach ulit. Balik tayo. Sabi namin kay Ayla, ibabalik namin siya sa beach. Kasi she loves playing with the sand. And nag-text ang fambam, nagising na si Arlo, but he's happy daw. Naglalaro lang siya. Kasama si mama. Dun. So, do you wanna go to their room to pick up Arlo, or?
You can get their room. I'll get my room. I'll grab the key off you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello!
It's okay.
I'm in the water.
We will. Just wait. Back in the room with my little man. Come here, Arlo. I need to change you. Swimwear. Come here. Si Dan at saka si Ayla nandun na, so kailangan kong lumibot para kunin yung key card. Ay! Alright, come here. I'll change you. What's the name of you? Aylo!
Auntie.
Did you poo?
Yeah.
No, you did not.
Okay.
Alright, wait, mommy will change. Just wait, mommy will change. Mommy will change. Just wait, okay? Oh no. Ah, okay, got it. Alright. Yay. Alright. Mommy's bomb. Let's go. Excited na siya. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let me just get the towel. Oh, towels are already there. Let's go. Let's go swim. Ate singing happy birthday. Wait, let me just pee. Let me just pee.
Yeah.
Can I help you? Take off your shoes. Alright, let's go.
Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
Bakit ikaw?
Hindi, ikaw ang asa namin.
We're not expecting you. We want a burger.
The burger place. Have lunch.
Oh, you matchy-matchy with your bro.
Ano din, Bali?
Oh,
Burger.
coming. Is this the burger now?
Please.
May bumili ng burger sa Makas. Uy!
Mukhang dili pinanggaw.
Na. Burger. Burger. Thank you. Yes. Nangato mo sa iyong kwarto?
Chang ko nito ikaw. Ala, wala ko ka, boss.
Thank you. Kainan na. Thank you. Thank you for the burger. Thank you very much. Ayan, mga drinks. Ang dami pala.
Ni Kuya Dan.
Ay, amin yan. Thank you, Inday. Meron ding chips para sa mga bata. That's alright.
Salamat.
Thank you. We're back sa beach. Nagkingking na naman ang dudong ko. Look at his feet. Oh, inaangat niya na naman. Let's go dong. Ang ganda. Nandito kami para sa sunset. Sana meron na lang konting natira. Come on, Alo! Arte kay Win, si NTL.
All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Kanina pa kami dito, guys. Madilim na, but Isla still playing. She loves it. Kanina pa siya dyan. Hindi talaga siya napapagod. And guess where Arlo is? Where is Arlo? Where is Arlo? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Ayaw niya sa sand! Apaka-arte! So, karga-karga lang the whole time.
Puros na basta ako pangumod. Kamera ni mga limot eh. Sikit kay pangumod. Dapat ato ka.
Layo kayo ko?
Nandun na si May, si Mama, at saka si Marlon. Swimming time! Kasama ko na. Dito kami sa Jazz Restaurant. Yeah, Jazz J ba yan? Bar and Restaurant. Ang busy kasi. Ang daming tao. And Arlo's choosing his food. Which one do you want, Arlo? Paturo-turo siya kanina eh. Which one? Isla's had a shower. Did you bring money?
I didn't bring my phone.
How about money?
Yeah.
Daddy, you're the best. Oh, I love you. I love you. Daddy, you're the best. Oh, I
Yay! Clap, clap! Say good job, Dudong! Clap, clap! Bye-bye, Dudong! Nachos! Oh, kanina kinakantahan niya lang kami. Ngayon, nandito na siya. Katabi na niya si Arlo.
She's a YouTuber. Do you watch YouTube? Do you watch
Dumaan
YouTube?
kasi siya ulit.
YouTube.
Sabi namin, gusto mo ba ng nachos? So, kain siya nachos. Alo, you finished? Naka-tricycle kami. Galing dun sa barbecuehan, papunta dito. Na-try namin. Ang cute. Ang saya. You like it, Alo?
Ka.
Aka, abagi.
Pati.
Thank you, sir. Time check. 9:40 na guys ng gabi. Nandito kami sa room. Napabilis yung pagdating namin kasi nag-tricycle kami. Ang saya. Medyo malayo-layo kasi yung nilakad namin papunta sa barbecuehan. Ang daming nangyari. Hindi ako naka-vlog kasi kailangan kargahin si Arlo kapag nasa sand. Ayaw niya talaga. Well, kahit na wala na kami sa sand, karga lang kami ng karga sa kanya. But, magsiswimming kami sa big pool mamaya. Hindi dito sa labas. Kasi di ba may pool access tayo? Hindi dyan. Doon sa kabila. Kasi ito magko-close ng 8 daw eh. Kahit na, pwede naman siguro dyan, no? Kasi nandyan lang. But yung sa kabila hanggang 12 midnight. And meron din silang jacuzzi doon. Meron silang bar na open hanggang 12. But hinihintay lang namin ang pambam na makarating ng hotel at least. Tapos, punta na kami doon. Kasi kami lang yung nag-tricycle. Hindi sila nag-tricycle eh. Kasi ihing-ihi nami. Ha? Hello! Good night!
Anak.
Say be good! See you tomorrow! Please like! Please subscribe! Bye-bye! Good night! Good night!
No.
Good night, mate. Good night, guys! Tulog na kami. Kakatapos lang namin maligo.